Good afternoon, students. In this video, I am going to discuss the second part of first topic, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes topic. So first part, haloalkanes we have completed, and the second part is haloarenes part now. So haloarenes. Haloarenes, they are also named as aryl halides. Aryl halides. So what are haloarenes or aryl halides? These are the organic compounds. These are the organic compounds in which the halogen atom is. These are the organic compounds in which the halogen atom is directly linked to the benzene ring. I'll repeat it. These are the organic compounds in which the halogen atom is directly linked to the benzene ring. See here. This is a benzene ring and halogen atom is directly linked to the benzene ring. X stands for it's a halogen it is. You take example. Bromobenzene. So bromobenzene is an example of haloarene. Arene means it's a benzene. Haloarene. This is halogen and this one is arene. So haloarene. This is one example. Dibromobenzene. Two bromine atoms are there. So dibromobenzene. One more example. This is also an example for your aryl halide. It is called as 2-bromotoluene. 2-bromotoluene. This is second position. 2-bromotoluene. So these are the some examples of haloarenes. These are the organic compounds in which the halogen atom is directly linked to the benzene ring. Then next part is preparation of haloarene or preparation of aryl halide. In preparation of haloarene, there is only one method is there, and that is called as Sandmeier's reaction. Sandmeier's reaction. Sandmeier's reaction. This is a very important method for the preparation of haloarene, or you can call it as aryl halides. So how haloarenes are prepared now by using Sandmeier's reaction? Most of the time in examination they have asked the question based on Sandmeier's reaction. Here, when aniline is dissolved in aniline, this is an organic compound. There is a primary amine. It is called as primary amine. When aniline is dissolved in, dilute hydrochloric acid. When aniline is dissolving, dilute hydrochloric acid and the ice cold solution of sodium nitrite. When aniline is dissolving, dilute hydrochloric acid and ice cold solution of sodium nitrite to form benzene diazonium chloride salt. And that reaction is called as a diazotization reaction. So before going to for the preparation of haloarene, first we must know what is diazotization reaction. So diazotization reaction means it is when aniline is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid and ice cold solution of sodium nitrite to form benzene diazonium chloride. And the formation of benzene diazonium chloride salt, the reaction is called as diazotization reaction. After that benzene diazonium chloride salt, benzene diazonium chloride salt is on warming with cuprous chloride and concentrated HCl, will get the haloarene. That haloarene name is chlorobenzene, will get the chlorobenzene product. I'll repeat the statement. Sandmeier's reaction. What is Sandmeier's reaction? When aniline is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid and ice cold solution of sodium nitrite to form benzene diazonium chloride. The formation of benzene diazonium chloride is known as diazotization reaction. After that formed freshly prepared benzene diazonium chloride is on warming with cuprous chloride and concentrated HCl, you will get haloarine, and the name of haloarine is chlorobenzene. See how the reaction taking place. So first NaNO2, that is sodium nitrite, NaNO2 sodium nitrite, when it is reacts with HCl, there is a formation of HNO2, that is nitrous acid HNO2 plus NaCl. Now aniline, the structure of aniline is like this. This is aniline, benzene ring NH2. When aniline is dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid, that is in the form of nitrous acid HNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, there is a formation of benzene diazonium chloride. See here, this N and this N, this is N2, and here it is Cl is there, and this is Cl. Then count number of hydrogen atoms. Here it is 2, 3, and this is 4. So 4 hydrogen atoms are there. 4 hydrogen atoms plus O2 means it is 2H2. And this compound is called as benzene diazonium chloride. It is salt, it is. In short, it is written as BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. And this freshly prepared benzene diazonium chloride, on warming with this freshly prepared benzene diazonium chloride, on warming with cuprous chloride and concentrated HCl, it gives haloarine, that is chlorobenzene and N2. And this is what the Sandmeier's reaction, this is preparation of haloarine. So I hope it is clear. We have taken what are haloarines or aryl halides and methods of preparation of haloarine, that is Sandmeier's reaction. Very, very important named reaction it is, Sandmeier's reaction. Make it perfect. Thank you.